Hi, everybody. I hope everybody is doing quite well today on this beautiful weekend. I am here today with another video for you. This time I'm going to do an unboxing of the Magical Mystery Bead Box for Jesse James Beads for the month of March in 2026. Um, I already have the card out. So this mix is called Palm Springs. And we've got some mixes in here. We have a poolside bead mix, Sonora Desert bead mix, Bathing Beauties, bead strand, Beauty bead strand, Rita bead strand, Sophia bead strand, Palm Springs he she bead strand, Pink Cadillac clasp set. I'm interested in seeing that. Hollywood Classic Focal set, the honeymoon hideaway chain, and the three palms chain. So let's check this thing out. I'm going to pull out some things one at a time so we can take a good look at them. Let's see, what do we have here? Isn't that cute? You know what? This is so cute, and it totally reminds me of the movies where you see people in Palm Springs and they have those what those things called, the swim caps on, and the swim caps might have flowers with these little um, um, dots on there, or they might have a swimsuit on, and that swimsuit has flowers and polka dots. This just truly does remind you of Palm Springs, and I like it. It's kind of a smaller bead strand than they normally do, but if it's one bead strand, it's the regular length. But lately, they have been given like two bead strands, full bead strands, but this is still very nice. I really like these colors. Mhm. Okay, so that is let me see, this one is the Betty bead strand. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. This next one is the Rita bead strand. Let's see what Rita's delivering for us today. Okay. Still that really cute ball with the flowers. This is so adorable. I'm wondering if on the website they will have extras and if these balls can be purchased from there. Very cute. I really like how they have like almost these little glued on bead caps onto this one right here. I don't know if you can see that really well. So Rita's very cute. We have Sophia here. See what Sophia's got going on. Uh-huh. Sophia's cute. I love the blue. This one has little glass rhinestones on it. Glass crystals here. Very pretty. Sophia's pretty. Pretty in blue. Let's see. What strands do we have here? This is a nice strand. This is the peachy strand. And this strand, let's see, this one is called the Palm Springs Heechy strand. Okay. This is nice. This is really nice. I love the colors in that. Yeah, those are nice spring colors. And these are like, they look like little shell beads. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like how they're on that strand like that. I like to put it on my wrist to see if that would be a cute little bracelet. And yeah, even if you were to take it off of the strand and restring it, this would be such a cute little spring summery bracelet just like it is. I love that. I really do. So it looks like we're done with our strands and we're going to move on to our mixes now. So this is the poolside mix and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Lovely shades of blue in here. These all look like they may be. This one feels like it's an acrylic bead. I don't believe that's glass. The rest of these would be glass and crystals, glass crystals. Very nice color scheme. I don't know what that is. It looks like that's something broken. Okay. We have some bead caps in here. Yeah. These, what are these called? Selenite beads or cat's eye beads, I think that one's called. Very pretty. Yeah, these ones are definitely, these are like acrylic beads. They're very pretty, but they're like acrylic. Um, these ones, these ones are glass and they have little flowers inside of them. I don't know if it's easy to see that on camera or not, but those have little flowers right in the inside. There's only, let me see how many. There's one, two, so there's four of these in here. That's neat. We get these again. We get these quite a bit with Jesse James beads. Right? We get those quite a bit. And then these ones, these are glass. These are nice. It's like they're about 12 millimeters. And then these twisty beads. Yeah, we've gotten these ones before from Jesse James beads and their bead mixes. So it's a nice little mix. I'm pleasantly surprised about it, you know. Goes really well with the color scheme. I think the best beads in this mix are these, and that's because I've never had these before. These ones are very nice. They're very lightweight. So they might make good earrings, you know. Some people don't like a lot of weight in their ears, so those might make good earrings, okay? So here's another mix. I've already opened it, but really haven't gone really into it. I love the color scheme. Love it, love it, love it, because it reminds me of the 70s. You know, I'm a 70s girl. So I like those, like these hearts. Sometimes I have to check these because the hearts can sometimes be cracked. So I always kind of check those. Yep, they feel a little jagged, right? Sometimes they're cracked. Um, this is also a nice mix. These ones I probably haven't had before, but many of these beads I have had before, including this one. But they're really nice, really lovely color scheme. Reminds me of the old school 70s furniture. I don't know if you ever had that table and chairs that was, if you're a 70s person, if that table and chairs that had the greens and the mustard yellow and the oranges in it. This is what this reminds me of. The chairs were like plastic and then, they would kind of crack. This is nice. That's a little charm. But yeah, that's a nice mix. Nothing extremely surprising in it, but it's still very beautiful. Still very beautiful. Again, I really, really enjoy this color scheme because it kind of takes me back into time when we used to listen to music on record players. Okay, what's in here? Oh, this is nice. Yeah, so this is a nice surprise. I've purchased these from Jesse James Beads. I'm glad that they're in a mix this time. This one is the Three Palms mix, and I forgot to tell you this one. This is the Sonora Desert mix. I like that. Um, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that these are like 24 karat gold on here. And then these are nice. These are like little cloisonne beads. I don't know if they're supposed to be connected. See, nope, they're not. So yeah, those are pretty. Very, very pretty. Uh-oh, go this way. There we go. Very nice, don't you think? These are lovely. I love these. These would be some nice charms on a bracelet. These are really beautiful connectors. I could definitely see getting more of those. And then let's see what we got here. Let's pull out the chain. Let's pull out the chain. Here's some chain. This is called the Hollywood Classic. Oh man. You know, Jesse James Beads does have a way with chain. They do such an amazing job on chain. This is so pretty and so dainty. Would be nice in a layered look. And sometimes I like the chain so much that I could just see wearing the chain by itself without anything else. They do such an amazing job on the chain. The only thing about this one is it's a little short. It would be a like a little choker, maybe, if it were worn by itself, but I think it would be very nice if it was put with a say a bracelet, a couple layers, or with a necklace, like in the front, and you layer it. Okay, so this one is the pink Cadillac. There we go. That's also a very nice chain. It's smaller. So yeah, I could definitely see like, using this in a layered look. Let me see if these things. Okay, luckily this is split. So that's really good. So it can be opened up. I wouldn't personally, I wouldn't use this um behind the neck because you won't be able to see how beautiful it is. Let me see how easy it is to open. Let me see here. Okay, so it's got the enamel on it. You can open, but I'm trying to be very careful not to crack the enamel. And it's not too tough. Like you can open it. It's stiff, sturdy, um, nice, good quality chain. I like it. I can definitely get more chain like this. Yeah. And I bet you it's got like a 24 karat gold plating or something like that. We'll have to check the website and see. What else is in here this time? It's looking a little lighter than usual, but it could be that my eyes are deceiving me. Here's some charms. Um, okay, Hollywood Classic Focal Set. I think that's what this is. So, okay, so we got some cactus. The cactus that says hello. Yeah, palm trees. Yeah, very cute. Yeah, that would be very cute to use on like a charm as a for a charm bracelet, right? So taking it like this and then having these, along. They're kind of big, but they'll draw attention. They'll draw attention. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then the last thing we have here in the box is we have the Honeymoon Hideaway clasp. It's a nice clasp set, and we got three of these bad boys, and I like them. I really do. Let's see. Yeah, It's easy enough to open up. I love the fact that the colors match. All of these gold tones match. They're very good combo, including the backs of these. So I really like that. We don't have different color golds going on here. So let's see here. That opens up well. This one opens up well. Very good, very good. Okay, so basically this is what we got this month. It seems a little light compared to what we normally get from Jesse James Beads, but I don't know. Maybe it's the economy. I don't really know, but I can tell you that I'm always pleased to get my Jesse James Beads box, and I can't wait to see what I can do with what is here. And when I do create something with it, I will tag the videos together. So if you like what you saw here, hit the like button. Always subscribe, tell a friend, come back for more. Come to my BFF Lives, join the Facebook group, and come back and see what we make with this. And let me know if you get the Jesse James beads box, if you got it for March, and what are your thoughts on the box this month? All right. Until next time, go make something beautiful. And when you do, post it in the community page so I can see what it is. All right. Have a great day now.